So there are two types of traits, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया road to success के अंदर, character traits as well as the competence. You see so many people making successes. So many people making successes. Why? Because of the competence, because of the qualities they have, because of the personality traits they have. बहुत ही smart बंदा था जी, बहुत ही efficient था, बहुत ही effective था, बहुत intelligent था. Okay, he becomes success. But if he does not have that character, he will not able to sustain his success. Okay, so when you combine character with competence, जहाँ पे ये जुड़ते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं you have the trust, because it's all about trust, which Allah wanted of the divine guidelines to maintain, which was there to help you maintain that level of the trust which you have. Go back to the history, even before the prophethood, when the kuffar was asked about the prophet, peace be upon him, तो उन्होंने आगे से कहा he's सादिक and he's अमीन. 1400 साल पहले भी उन्हें पता था सादिक और अमीन क्या होता है. कुफार को भी पता था सादिक और अमीन क्या होता है. जो बुत परस्त थे उनको भी पता था सादिक और अमीन होना कितनी बड़ी क्वालिटी है. And he stands up and there, hey, you know I'm Sadiq and Amin, and I've been telling you today. If I tell you there is a army out there behind the mountain, would you believe? And they said, yes, we will believe, because you have been Sadiq and Amin. ये credibility है.